Hi friends, welcome to South Indian cuisine. Today now I am going to show you the basic sponge cake. For that, the main ingredients, that is, this is all-purpose flour. I have taken around 250 grams, and this is 200 grams of powdered sugar and some dry fruits. This is roasted cashew and some tutti frutti, and this is butter around 70 to 80 grams. And next, for flavoring, today I am using, this is nutmeg and this is a cardamom. This is the powder of nutmeg, cardamom and sugar. I blended this. This is the powder of nutmeg and cardamom and sugar powder, that is. And next, this is a pinch of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 4 eggs. With these ingredients, now I am going to make a tasty basic sponge cake. In the process, first break the eggs and collect into a bowl, and now beat these eggs. After beating the egg should be double in size after beating, and then in the bowl take first butter and just beat this. After beating the butter, when it comes to room temperature and it becomes soft, now into this add this nutmeg, sugar and cardamom powder first. Just beat it for 30 seconds, and now into this add sugar powder and just beat it for 1 minute. After mixing the sugar powder with the butter, just keep it aside, and now sieve the dry ingredients, that is maida flour, baking soda and baking powder. Just mix all these and just sieve it. After mixing and sieving the flours with the baking soda and baking powder into this, now add whatever fruits you want to add in it. And just mix all this in the dry flour only. Now the flour and egg beat and next butter, sugar, everything is ready now. Now mixing, final stage. First into this butter and sugar mixture, add this egg beat and beat this in a low stage, low speed for just 30 seconds. After mixing egg beat also, now add this flour, and now no need to beat, just mix it in cut and fold method. After adding the flour, after cutting this in, after mixing this in cut and fold method, now the mixture will look like this. Now our cake batter is ready now, and now we will ready this is a cake tin. First grease with some butter and then dust some flour and just tap it like this and remove the excess flour. Now the cake tin is also ready now. Now pour this cake batter into this cake mold. After adding the cake batter to mold, just tap it like this and then add some dry fruits on it like this, and now set the oven in 180 degrees centigrade for preheat, and then put this. After preheating the oven, now put this and bake it for around 30 to 32 minutes. Then our tasty cake will be ready. Bake this in around 180 degrees centigrade only. After 30-32 minutes of baking, now our cake will look like this. It is cooked or not, check it like this. Just place a toothpick or fork to it. If it is clean means the cake is ready now. Now just loose the edges like this and next demold it. After demolding the cake, after cooling, now the cake looks like this and then cut into pieces. Now see how spongy it is. This is our basic sponge cake. This is very tastier also. Now our tasty cake is ready now. Dear friends, I hope you like this recipe. If you like, please do subscribe my channel and send your tips and suggestions to improve my channel. Thank you. Namaste.